Hello everyone, my name is Brian. I'd like to introduce you to Qt. If you don't know what Qt is, it's the juggernaut of the software development world. As you can see from their page, it's software development made smarter. You can create fluid, high performance, and intuitive user interface applications on embedded devices, desktop servers, mobile platforms, and much more. There is a lot you can do with this, and it is a massive software development platform. So let's go ahead and get started. Click on Download. On the download page, you'll see that Qt's available for multiple platforms, including Windows, Linux, Mac, Android, iOS, and many more. Qt also has what's called a dual licensing model. It's available commercially with a free trial and open source. It's free under the LGPL version 3. Now, you might lean towards the open source version just because it's free, but be warned, you're going to lose a lot of features. That's why we're going to focus really on the commercial version. As you can see, the commercial version, you get all of the essentials, including additional features that are not available in the free version. Some of those include 3D, 2D graphics, data storage, data visualization, mobility mapping, network and connectivity, and a lot more. You also get some of the best tools in the industry, including Qt Creator, integrated tooling, UI design, and a lot more than they're listing here on the webpage. If you're doing any sort of embedded development, this is the platform you want. This is the go-to. This is the king of them all. You also get some amazing support. You get the official Qt support. That also comes with a close strategic relationship with Qt Company itself, meaning you get someone who's going to be invested in your company and your project and wants you to succeed. This dedicated Qt customer success manager will be there for you when you need them most. So go ahead and click Try Free. To download, simply fill out the form. Select your role, and be sure to choose the I'd like to extend my 10-day free trial to 30 days. Someone will contact you with more information. Select your country of origin and your region. Be sure to select what type of product you're going to develop. That way we can help you out a little bit more. If you're not sure, choose none of the above, I'm not sure. Accept the terms of service and hit submit. Please note that if you've never been to Qt.io before, during the download process you will be prompted for a password. You'll use that password later when installing the software. Once you're on the download page, go ahead and click the download link. They'll automatically recommend a download option for you based on your current operating system. Click the download button to begin. Once your download's complete, we'll go ahead and install the software. Once your download's completed, navigate to the directory in which you just downloaded the file. I'm installing on Linux, but the steps are virtually the same for all platforms. Linux has an extra step. Make sure the file is allowed to execute. Once that's done, run the installer. During the download process, you are asked for your email information and a password if you didn't already have a Qt account. Please note that you're going to need that information now. If you fail to give that information, it will revert to the open source version. Go ahead and enter your username and password for your Qt account and click Next. If you don't have one, be sure to click the Need an Account and fill in the information. Once you see the Welcome to Commercial Qt setup, you can continue. Otherwise, it will revert to the open source version. Next, the installer will download meta information. Take a few minutes depending on your download speed. Choose the location you want to install Qt and click Next. In the Select Components window, you'll see that you have some previews. These are for people that like to play around with the latest and greatest. Otherwise, just choose the version of Qt you'd wish to install. You can select all, or you can select individual components. I like to install all because I work with a little bit of everything. As you can see, there's desktop, Android, and if you're on Mac, you'd see iOS as well, charts, data visualization, and much more. Once you're ready, simply click Next, agree to the terms, click Next again, and install. This may take a few minutes depending on your download speeds. You can always click Show Details if you're curious about what's being downloaded. I'm going to go ahead and pause the video, and I'll be right back once we're done. When you finish downloading, click Next to continue, and be sure the Launch Qt Creator is selected, and click Finish. Once Qt Creator is installed, you'll need to log in with your evaluation license. And click OK. That's all there is to it. You're now ready to begin building world-famous applications. All the power of one of the strongest platforms is right at your fingertips.